custom timber frame built in 2007 is a 4-bedroom home with incredible mountain views located just 2 miles from downtown Lewisburg. The home is timber framed with fire-killed Douglas fir and features 6-inch plank wormy red oak flooring. The entryway is at the end of the walkway coming through the landscaped yard from the 2-car garage and paved driveway. The vaulted ceiling in this 2-story open foyer is a warm welcome to all your family and guests. The magnificent timber beams and woodwork in the home is simple amazing. The 2-story vaulted ceiling in the foyer allows for natural light to enter the home. The main level living area is a wonderful place to start your morning or end your evenings. The large 30-foot stone veneer fireplace has natural gas logs. This home is ideal for entertaining, has a truly unique open floor plan. The double doors from the living area leads to the open rear patio area. The 30-foot stone veneer fireplace draws the eye up to the beautiful beams in the ceiling and the balcony of the upper level. The majesty of this home is breathtaking. The views and the warmth would make anyone feel at home. The main level kitchen has pecan wood cabinets and Bordeaux granite countertops with stainless KitchenAid appliances including a double oven. Eat-in bar area. The large dining area has plenty of room for all your friends and family to enjoy their favorite meal and is convenient to the kitchen. Main level family game room area. The main level family room is a wonderful place to watch a game or movie with all your favorite people. There is also plenty of room next to the main level family for your pool table or grand piano. The space on the main level is unimaginable. The upper level master suite is a splendid cozy retreat. The master suite features a glass standing shower and jetted soaking tub. The master suite has a place to relax and unwind your day and enjoy the peaceful view out the double windows. Upper level second bedroom has lots of space with hardwood floors and wooden beams. The third upper level bedroom also features hardwood floors and double windows with wonderful views. The lower-level family room has carpet and loads of space with double doors to the bluestone lower-level patio. Lower-level bedroom with views of the rear yard and a private bath area. The back of the home you can see that the Windsor windows brings the outdoors inside. Beautiful views from every corner. The rear patio and deck is a wonderful addition to this home. There is a hardwired natural gas generator to keep your family going in the case of emergencies. Small outbuilding sits on the edge of the well-manicured lawn. The rear side patio has a grilling area away from the patio seating area. The rear yard is level and beautiful landscaped. Sit on the deck and watch the sunrise over the river valley. The space here is very relaxing for all your get-together needs. The custom-built home has amazing views of White Rock Mountain and the Greenbrier River Valley. Located in a very quiet neighborhood. Make this home yours today.